Let's see what we got today. Yeah, man. How can I get into this box? Get up in there, time. Yes, sir. See what we got. Big ass box. For a little box of shoes. Y'all see that thing poking out right there. Yeezy Boost 380. Made by Adidas. Boost. Yeezy Boost 380. Size 14. Boost 380. FZ4994. And we got focus.
Stupid. Why did you do it?
Highlight glow. Highlight glow. Nice little Yeezy box. I actually won these on the Confirm app. Trying to build up my Yeezy collection, man. I'm a Kanye fan, so get some of his shoes. But y'all see them type them Yeezy 380s.
Because these people are children and children like stories.
I wear a size 13. I didn't win a 13 and a half. I figured 13 and a half is more limited than a 14. So I went for a 14 and actually hit on these things. And I'm excited. I'm actually wear the shit out of these things.
If it looks like it's going bad, I would.
Nice little colorway. I like them. I think the sole will make them stand out. These supposed to glow, so I'm going to shine them in the light a little bit. And I'm going to see if they glow when I cut the lights out.
Did you want this? No. I hit my limit.
It ain't totally dark in here. But, I don't know. I might try it again. Did y'all go after these? Are they bricks? Or what? I don't even care, man. They Yeezy. I got my size, so I'm going to keep these and wear them. It ain't everybody's cup of tea. My wife actually got a pair of these, and she say, well, not this particular one. I think she got the peppers. And she say those are very comfortable, so I'm curious to see how they feel on my feet. Second pair of Yeezys in my collection. I got a 350 and then I got a 380, so I'm cool with it. Thank y'all for checking out my video. Until next time, like, comment, and subscribe on this video. My own feed video. Bam. Bam. Boom.